In semiconductor manufacturing, a single speck of dust can cause a chip to fail. How to accurately detect micron defects, ensuring the reliability of the chip. Zhuomao Ct8500 industrial CT testing equipment came into being. Advanced microfocus X-ray technology is adopted. It has the ultra-high detection accuracy of less than 1 micron, can clearly present the internal packaging structure of the chip. Microscopic characteristics such as interconnection lines, through 360-degree arbitrary view observation and 3D CT reconstruction function, engineers can comprehensively inspect the quality of key parts such as TSV through holes and solder joints. The equipment adopts the unique automatic following technology, ensure that the detector is tilted and rotated. The detection area is always at the center of the image, achieve stable and accurate detection results. The Zhuomao Ct8500 has dual-mode functions of planar CT and cone-beam CT. It can be freely switched according to different detection requirements. Comprehensive internal structure analysis of all kinds of semiconductor devices. As semiconductor processes continue to evolve toward smaller nodes, Zhuomao Ct8500 will continue to provide the industry with more precision, smarter non-destructive testing solutions, help enterprises to improve product yield and market competitiveness.